Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about some Laravel quick tricks, right? So we will going to discuss about Laravel helper functions, right? So now if I just go here, you can see we are using the Laravel 9, right? So this is the Laravel 9.52 and here I just created a URL do magic. Okay, so we're going to do the magic. Okay, now if I just going to use any Laravel helper function, simply I just going to use some array tricks, right? So to use the array, simply use illuminate support array. So using that we can access the array helper, right? Now the thing is, in this video we are going to discuss about how to join some array, right? So there is 3-4 array into my application. Suppose I want to join that thing, so simply I just create some array. Suppose array 1 equal to simply write array, and I have a value like 1 2 and 3 4 5. Okay, and let's create another array. So simply write array 2, and array 2 have 10 20 30 40 and then 50. Okay, so we have to separate array. Now I want to make a single array where we will get all the value from the two array. So let's create a final array, and here I will just use this array helper. So simply write array, and then we have method to do the things. So collapse. Okay, so using collapse we can merge all array into a single array. So simply just go and here write the array 1 and comma, let's use array 2. So in this way we can write multiple things. So simply if I just going to print that output, so dd final array. So now refresh this, you will get all the things into a single array. If I just going to add another thing, suppose I just going to write array 3 and let's use some character type data or string type data. Suppose a is a character, and let's use a b c d, then and if I just going to declare this array 3 and now just add a comma and let's use array 3, and you will get all the things. Okay, so we are getting all the things into a single array using the array collapse method. So cool. If this video helps you, please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video for more magic, right? Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.